Hi everyone, I'm Esther from Essy Cooks, and in this video we're going to be making the easiest 4-ingredient thumbprint cookies. These are perfect for your next holiday event or just to have with coffee and tea in the morning. These are vegan, they're gluten-free, and they're super healthy, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make these. First, we are just going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Just going to need a mixing bowl, about a medium-sized mixing bowl. And then we're going to use 1 cup of gluten-free flour, so you can use either almond flour or chickpea flour. I have chickpea flour in the house. It's full of fiber and protein, so I'm just going to use that. 1 whole cup of almond flour or chickpea flour. All right, next we have half a cup of all-natural peanut butter. And then for sweetener, I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. And that is our batter. It's just so fast and easy. Like 3 simple ingredients, mix them together. We have just a baking sheet lined with parchment paper here. So we're going to shape this into about 12 even-sized balls, and we're going to put them on the parchment paper. So I'm just going to grab a small amount like this. I'm just going to squeeze it in my hands, roll it into a nice shaped ball. And now I'm just going to press down using my thumb, which is why these are called the thumbprint cookies, and create a nice little well in the middle. And if you see it kind of falls apart a little bit, don't worry, you can kind of just shape it back together. We're just creating a nice little spot to put our jam drops into. Jam here, you can use any jam you like, but I love strawberry and raspberry because it looks really festive for the holidays. So I've got about a 1/4 cup of that here, and I'm just going to put a little bit in the center of each thumbprint. Place these into the oven for 10 minutes. We're going to check on them in 10. Sometimes they need up to 12 minutes. Ready to pull these out of the oven, and we just want to make sure that these are lightly browned on the bottom, and they are. That is so perfect. Now, one thing I would say about these cookies is that they really need to cool. You need to let them sit, otherwise when you grab them they're going to fall apart, but don't worry, they will harden up. You can't really eat these fresh out of the oven unless you don't mind them falling apart. So just give them a little time to cool and they will be perfect. I had a couple of girlfriends over and they absolutely gobbled up these cookies, but make sure you stay tuned. My husband, who is the cookie lover in the house, is going to be doing a taste test on these as well.
Taste test time. Cookies. They look real nice.
Not bad for a healthy tasting cookie, right?
Not bad at all. Pretty nice, actually. I could use a little more jam.
Yeah, dunk it in the jam.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more recipes like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.